Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to replace MacBook Air LCD display. We have used an official Apple screen for replacement. Start opening the back cover with the pentalobe screwdriver. Always remember to disconnect the battery from the motherboard so no power passes through the device. Now, unscrew all the 6 screws on both sides of the hinges. Screws from the LCD glass cables. Remove the main board connector which connects the LCD screen to the motherboard. Now, it is the time to remove antenna bar connector from the main board. You have to disconnect this antenna bar to get access to the LCD glass flex. Now remove the hinges of LCD screen panel so you can install a whole new screen. Install this new whole LCD screen panel through screwing up these hinges. Reinstall the touch bar connector to the main board. back cover, make sure the Macbook screen turn on and working. Thank you for tuning. Please show your support to subscribe and share my channel and stay connected to get more tech tips and videos.